Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see safe attachments in Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Safe attachments in Microsoft Defender for Office 365 provides an additional layer of protection for email attachments that have already been scanned by anti-malware protection in Exchange Online Protection. Specifically, safe attachments uses a virtual environment to check attachments in email messages before they are delivered to recipients, a process known as detonation. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I'm logged on to the portal. So to reach this section, make sure that you're logged on to security.microsoft.com, and when you will see the home screen, you will scroll down to email and collaboration. You will click on policies and rules. You will click on threat policies, and under policies you will click on safe attachments. So there are safe attachments policy settings. So there are some settings like recipient filters, domains, groups, conditions. So I will show you how to set up safe attachments policies in Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Click on create. Enter the name of the policy, make sure that it's unique, enter the description and click on next. You will add the users, which can be specified mailboxes, mail users or mail contacts. Then you will add the groups, or you will add the domains as well. You will click in the appropriate box and start typing a value, like I'm entering a user. I'll enter my name, and then you can enter the users that you want to exclude, or groups or domains that you want to exclude from this policy. Click on next. Safe attachments unknown malware response. What it does is select one of the following values. You can select off, monitor, block, or dynamic delivery, which is the preview messages. So block, this is the default value and the recommended value in standard and strict preset security policies. It says monitor and block actions might cause a significant delay in message delivery. Dynamic delivery is only available for recipients with hosted mailboxes. So what dynamic delivery does is they immediately deliver the message without attachments and reattach files after scanning is complete. And monitor will deliver the message if malware is detected and track scanning results. Block will block current and future messages and attachments with detected malware. Off is that attachments will not be scanned by safe attachments. Let's say you click on monitor, and below you will see the quarantine policy. You will select a quarantine policy that applies to messages that are quarantined by safe attachments. It can be block or it be dynamic. Redirect messages with detected attachments. Enable, if you want to enable the redirect. So what it would do is select to have monitored messages with attachments redirected to a specific email address. Okay, if you will enter this, you will have to send messages that contain monitored attachments to the specified email address. I don't want it. This is the by default quarantine policy that is enabled. Admin only access policy, which is used for malware detections by safe attachment policies. And when you will click on next, you will get an option to review your policy. After you're done reviewing, you will click on submit and the policy will be created. And this is the built-in protection safe attachments policy that is created by default, which It says built-in Microsoft Office 365 security applied to all users in your organization to protect against malicious links and attachments. Close. So this is how you create safe attachments policies under threat policies. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.